Planning a major purchase? Maybe a new car or a big home renovation. It's exciting, but it almost always means one thing: a loan. The big question isn't if you need a loan, but how much you can comfortably afford and how that loan will impact your monthly budget. Getting a clear picture of those numbers up front is essential for smart financial planning, and that's exactly where Patriot Bank's easy-to-use financial calculators come in. These tools aren't just for mathematicians. They're designed to give you a clear, instant peek into your loan possibilities, whether you're looking at a personal loan, a line of credit, or even a mortgage. It's about removing the guesswork and putting you in control. So, how do you use them to plan your next big financial step? It's simple. First, head over to the Patriot Bank website and find the Calculators section. You'll likely see a few options, but for most immediate loan planning, you'll want the Loan and Credit Line Payment Calculator. This is your go-to tool. It takes the key variables of any loan and instantly shows you the monthly payment. You simply plug in three things: the loan amount, how much you plan to borrow; the term in months, how long you want to take to pay it back, maybe 60 months for a car or longer for a bigger project; the interest rate, if you already have a pre-approved rate, plug it in. If not, use the current average rate to get a solid estimate. Hit calculate, and bam! You get an immediate estimated monthly payment. Now, here's where the planning really happens. Instead of just accepting that first number, use the calculator to try different scenarios. For example, what happens if you shorten the term from 60 months to 48 months? Your monthly payment goes up, but the total interest paid over the life of the loan goes down. You can instantly see the trade-off between a lower monthly bill and saving money on interest in the long run. Similarly, if you increase your potential down payment, you can lower the loan amount and see how that drops your monthly payment. It makes the abstract concept of loan debt feel tangible and manageable. This immediate feedback empowers you to decide on the best loan strategy before you even apply. You can set a realistic budget, understand the true cost of borrowing, and approach the next step with complete confidence. Patriot Bank's calculators are a vital tool for taking charge of your finances. They're free, fast, and designed to help you build a loan plan that truly works for your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.